Are you new to online business and wondering if the Legacy Builders program is right for you? You are not alone. Many people are curious and overwhelmed about how to get started. So today we're going to take a look at the Legacy Builder program and see if it is the right fit for you. Stick around to find out how this program works for beginners, the training that it offers, both live and recorded trainings, and whether it delivers on its promises. At the end, I'll also give you a free checklist that you can use to evaluate any online program. Starting an online business can be overwhelming, even a little bit scary. And that's because most people are afraid to step into the unknown. They don't understand the complicated strategies or what seems complicated to them at first. They're worried about possibly a high upfront cost to get started if you are looking at investing in yourself and getting the correct training. And just overall, it can be intimidating. I'm sure you've all heard of all of the scams out there. That's another reason that people are hesitant. You don't know what is a scam and what is not a scam. So you really need to do your research first. There's also a lot of people that feel that they won't be successful in an online business because they have no tech skills or they don't understand how to do marketing. These are all very valid concerns that most people have before getting started with an online business. So is the Legacy Builders program the solution or just another dead end? When I first started, I was overwhelmed too. I actually looked for months trying to figure out how to get started in digital marketing. I heard about it, sounded great to me, so I started doing research and just looking into things, and I found lots of information, Googling, on YouTube, watching the videos, but I still was nervous because I didn't have tech skills, I didn't have marketing skills. Sure, I watched these videos, but it didn't actually put it all together for me, and I had no idea how to create a website or how to do anything that I was seeing in these videos. So that's when I decided I needed to invest in myself and I needed a program that was going to show me how to do digital marketing and be successful. And that is when a friend introduced me to Legacy Builders program. If this resonates with you, be sure to watch until the end to get my free checklist that is going to show you how to evaluate any online program. And drop a comment for me. Let me know, how are you feeling about the Legacy Builder program? Have you ever heard of it before? Are you skeptical? Do you know anybody that has had success with it? Let me know what you're thinking here at the beginning of this video. The Legacy Builders program gives you a structured pathway to build your online digital marketing business. It focuses a lot on master resale rights. And you may be thinking, master resale rights? What in the world is that? Well, it's actually pretty amazing. Master resale rights gives you the ability to resell the very product that you bought, the Legacy Builder program, and it allows you to resell that to help other busy parents to gain control of their lives. So the very program that you bought to understand how to do digital marketing and how to be successful and get that financial freedom, you can in turn resell it and help other parents as well. And the best thing about the resale rights, you get 100% profit. That's right, 100% profit of everything you sell goes to you. This program starts with foundational lessons in sales and marketing. It is for beginners. It starts you right there at the beginning, assuming that you do not know anything about it, which was perfect for me because that's what I needed. I needed to start at the bottom and work my way up. And it also it came with a website. I just had to purchase the website for $29, and the website was completely done for me. I didn't have to worry about building a website because, to be honest, I'm not technical. I have no tech skills really. So that was a game changer for me. That's part of what had held me back when I was looking at how to do this on my own. I really didn't know how to build a website. The other thing is that my sales funnel came already built for me as well. Again, something I had no clue how to do. So it really gives you the foundation to get started and to understand how it works in a very basic way, and then you build up through the trainings. Now, a lot of the trainings are recorded for the very basic beginning stuff, but then as you get into it, you can begin to attend the live Zoom sessions, mentoring sessions, and tech calls. Just lots of help available there if you need it within the community too. It allows you to ask questions to the 45,000 plus members. So you are really just a part of a community, and something that is so big, so helpful, and just so amazing. So you're not just thrown a couple of videos to watch and then boom, you're on your own. You have the support of thousands of people behind you to help you be successful. As I said, ask a question, it will be answered. Everybody is here to support you and to help you have a smooth journey as you begin your online business. There are definite benefits to this program. You have the potential for being able to earn a lot of money. There is scalability, which is a word I didn't know till I started this. Scalability means you can start small and take baby steps to work your way up to something bigger. The only challenges are just, it's something brand new for you, right? So there's a learning curve. You're not going to jump right into it and boom, overnight you're successful. Yes, there are stories like one-offs where it's happened to people, but you're going to need to put in the work. You're going to need to put in the effort. You're going to be learning a brand new set of skills, and that can be challenging. It's going to take time and effort on your part. If you're ready to explore the Legacy Builders program further, click the link in the description that takes you to my website. You can get signed up for my emails and then explore to see what it's all about. You'll then have my email, so you can email me any questions. I would love to be your mentor and work with you if you decide that this is the program for you. From financial freedom to personal growth, the Legacy Builders program equips you with the skills you can use to be successful for years to come. And here are a few testimonials from people who have found success with the Legacy Builders program.
Hey y'all, my name is Erica Walker, and back in December, whenever I was looking for a work from home position or something that I could do from home to work around my family, I stumbled across Michelle's live and was intrigued by the six-figure blueprint. So whenever I saw her success and I started seeing every day the successes that she was having, I was like, oh my gosh, I can do this. Or I can't do this, but I can do this. So I purchased the blueprint, and I'm going to tell you what I love so much about this blueprint is it gives you step by step exactly how to be successful. And what's not in that blueprint, it's in our online community. Our online community is second to none. So this training is one of the top-notch trainings I think that is out there. I took other trainings before this program, and it was nothing compared to this.
Hey guys, I wanted to share a few things about my experience with the blueprint. And the first thing is the training itself. I've learned more than just about making money online, and if you truly allow yourself to become a student to the blueprint, it will teach you more than just that. It's actually changed the way I approach things in life, and not just pertaining to working online. Secondly is the ability to work around your schedule. That was the big thing that attracted me to the blueprint. It teaches you how to work around your family schedule, how to work around your work schedule, In me particular, I wasn't looking to leave my full-time job. I was just looking for a way to generate a supplemental income around our busy schedule. So, and that was a must for me. So that was really important, being able to work around my schedule and still being able to generate that supplemental income. Those two unique things make the blueprint a very unique opportunity.
Hi, my name is Dawn, and I started promoting digital products earlier this year, and I am absolutely loving my journey. It has built my confidence, it's gotten me out of my comfort zone, and I am doing things that I never thought that I would be able to do. I love my mentorship and the community that I'm a part of. We lift each other up, we support each other. It's awesome.
We've covered everything from how the Legacy Builders program works to whether it is suitable for beginners. If you are ready to check it out and see if it is right for you, don't forget I have that document, that checklist that will help you evaluate any online program. So go ahead and use that checklist to evaluate this program that I just talked to you about, the Legacy Builder program, or any other program that you are interested in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.